Alright guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the rock lights and the light bar on the TRX4 Defender. On my Bronco I do have the rock lights installed. Because I am running the Mamba X ESC, I am running a Mini E-Revo power supply, part number 7286. This power supply has a tap that'll tap into your Traxxas plug, and it also has a wire that'll run into your receiver box here. And the power supply has the same ratings. It looks almost identical to the TRX4 power supply. It's just the TRX4 power supply runs off of the ESC, the XL5HV. So on the Bronco I've been running these lights for a while, no issues. So if you do want to upgrade your ESC and you still want to use the Traxxas Lights, you can go ahead and do that. You just have to get part number 7286. Okay, so back to the Defender. I did get a head start. I took off the side fenders, so the inside fenders will come out easily. And just to note, I do have the Traxxas headlights and taillight kit already installed. It's real simple. You unscrew there's one screw each in the back, and there are 3 screws up front. You take out the 3 screws, remove the placeholder, if you will. It's just a piece of plastic with a sticker, and you pop in the light. Alright, so I have the fenders out, and I have them on the table as they would be in the truck. What I'm going to do now is start removing the little plastic plates that cover the hole where the rock lights will go. Alright, so all of the covers are off. Just be careful to not lose the screws, because you will need them to secure the rock lights. Alright, so I haphazardly have the lights arranged the way I want them. I want to go ahead and start getting them screwed in. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to the light bar. Okay, so the light bar is super simple. In the light bar package you'll find the actual light bar itself, a zip tie, and 2 screws. You're also going to need a body reamer or a drill bit to get through to make a hole for the light bar. So to start out, on the top corner, right by the cage here, just go ahead and make a hole. Next thing you're going to want to do is feed those wires through that hole. And with the 2 provided screws, you're going to want to just go ahead and screw the light bar in. There is a dimmer for the headlights and the light bar. It's controlled by the switch up top, so this will be bright and not bright. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to plug this wire in with the headlights. Now the correct wire is the single wire. It's just a single blue off the headlights. It goes right into the male that runs off of the light bar. It's also a single wire. So with the power supply comes a 3-way tap. So you want to go ahead and plug all of your female plugs into the 3-tap male plug. Okay, so I went ahead and got the fenders reinstalled. Alright, and the last thing I need to do is just go ahead and plug the wire into the power supply, and I'll flip it on. Moment of truth. Alright, and we're working. Everything seems to be on just as it should be. And also with that top switch, you can see how you can turn everything brighter or dim it down. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully if you had any questions or were stuck on a spot on how to install the lights, hopefully this video helped you out. Any questions, comments, please post them below. If you liked the video, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day and see you soon.